Screeners from the Transportation Security Administration, or TSA, are trained to recognize the Travel Sentry red diamond logo on the Master Lock 4688D TSA-Accepted padlocks. Screeners can use a secure system to open, inspect, and relock baggage which is locked with a TSA-Accepted padlock. This lock is preset to open at 000. To set your own combination, choose your new 3-number combination. As an example, we'll choose 246. To open the lock for the first time, set the dials so 000 lines up with the markers on the front of the lock. Next, slide the cable tip toward the center of the lock body to remove it from the lock. The cable can only be moved from the side that does not show the letters TSA. Use a pointed object to push in the button on the bottom of the lock. While pushing the button in, turn the dials to your new combination. Release the button and reinsert the cable tip into the lock body. Push it down and slide it all the way to the outer edge until it clicks into place. Scramble the dials to lock it. To reopen the lock, set the dials to your new combination, in this case, 246, and slide the cable tip toward the center of the lock body to remove it. Don't forget to store your new combination at masterlockvault.com. Master Lock. Tough under fire.